Hello, hello, hello. I think you can hear me. I have a fan on. Today will be a fairly quiet one because it's so hot. Um, day 200. Day 200. Um, yeah, day 200, man. Kind of crazy, but thank God. I'll keep showing up, guys. Alright. Super late. I've got a ton to do. So it might be a short one. Let's go. Okay, so we've got in sort of trying to build out the functionality of movement. We've got a right, left, and otherwise it's staying still. So got a last option here. Else doesn't need a bracket because there's no condition. So else goes straight into curly brackets where we're going to take player dot velocity dot x is equal to 0. Okay. So that was just there with, I guess, animating the player. Here we're going to move it across the screen. So we're going to build that functionality as well. Comes, move, player. Here we're taking in a key. X, velocity. And S press. And we're making a function out of it. That will presently be 0. And empty. Curly bracket. Again, player in terms of different checkpoints. If is checkpoint, then you will start playing on the X and Y axis. We'll start this by creating an if statement where the condition checks if that's false. Okay. So not this. Which is truthy. So basically, the exclamation mark is checkpoint. Is checkpoint thing is, I mean, just calling it is suggests it's going to be a boolean. And if I scroll up, we might have already defined it. But saying, I've explained this before. If saying is this true, that's one thing. And if this is then set to false, that's another thing. But if we're saying this is not true, and the answer is false, then that's true. That's a weird way of putting it. But effectively saying not this is saying that it's not active, and it's true to say it's not active because the actual thing is false. This resolves to truthy if so. So then, yeah. Set players X velocity, Y velocity to 0. Return. So player dot velocity. Dot X equal to 0. Dot Y is equal to 0. Return. Switch statement with value key. switch statements. Right. So a switch statement is another way of doing a conditional. Now, where an if checks a condition and then performs an action, or checks a different condition with an else if, performs an etc. What the switch does is the switch takes one condition and then it has a condition, a value, and it goes through different things that it will do. So if that value is X, it gets to X and then it does something and then break. If that value is Y, it goes to X. It's not X, cool, next, that, and then there's a default. And if there's none of those, then it does what's on the default, and then again, done. So that's our switch statement. So they want a switch statement with expression key, and it's gonna have a bunch of stuff that we're doing. Yeah. First case you want to add is when the arrow left is pressed. Inside switch, we add a new case called arrow left. Cool. Arrow left. Do they need to be strings? No. Case arrow left. Arrow left is a string. Okay, and then we'll do some code. Next case, we'll do some code. I'm going to leave it here because I think this will be a good place to pick back up tomorrow. And yeah, peace out, guys. Keep showing up. Later on. Let's update our title, because if I don't do it here, I'll never do it. So we've got to 54. Yep. Cool. stream. I did not end the stream. Indeed, day 200, and I forgot to end the stream. Stress. Yo, see me struggling.